Fellow pioneers, welcome back to Sheriff Network. What if I tell you that there is a platform that is just launched, which is going to be a connector between Pi Network and other cryptocurrency? By using this platform, you'll be able to trade and exchange your Pi coin with other cryptocurrencies. Yes, fellas, you heard me right? I said you'll be able to trade your Pi coin with other crypto, such as BNB Binance. If you want to know more about this and when it would launch, make sure you stick around till the end of this video. Guys, as we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out on these juicy updates. Let's begin. At this point, we all know that the Pi network is already very close to its main net, and the sole purpose is to enable pioneers interact with each other. By engaging in the barter system, this is a means of trading among themselves while using the Pi coin for making payment. So diving back into the main topic, what's the name of this platform? The name of the platform is called Pi Bridge. Although the idea of this platform is intriguing, which makes one wonder if the Pi Network core team actually trusts and approves of this platform. It's easy to understand why I'm saying this. The Pi Network says it's poised to start, but it will only allow communication with other cryptocurrencies on the open main net. Though there are some uncertainty, which got me thinking. The Pi Network team has emphasized numerous times that you shouldn't rely on any connection to a platform that is not the Pi browser. They were there and correctly connected when I checked the Pi Bridge website using the Pi browser. Another thing that confused me was the platform's conversion to Wrap Pi, or UIU. This was done on the Binance Smart Chain wallet, which meant that whatever Pi token you wanted to swap would be bridged to Beam, which is the native coin of Binance, but it would be wrapped. Let me define the term wrapped in the cryptocurrency context before I express my personal judgment on whether or not to trust this platform. A wrapped token is a cryptocurrency token linked to another cryptocurrency's value because the original asset is placed in a wrapper, a sort of virtual safe, which enables the creation of the wrapped version on another blockchain. It is known as a wrapped token. So now, let's find out if the bridge platform is legitimate or simply a ruse to drain your wallets of hard-earned Pi. I urge you to pay attention to my analysis since there are signs that con artists are becoming more prevalent by the minute in the Pi network ecosystem. I'll show you the platform to demonstrate how I came to my conclusion on the Pi bridge. I looked through the platform and discovered a set of guidelines or procedures for connecting and exchanging your Pi currency for the native Binance wrapped coin. The initial step was to use the Pi browser to find the website address, after which the Pi amount and the recipient address were entered. Binance Smart Chain is referred to as the base A, following which you click Wrap Pi to Y2. The following step requires you to confirm payment before you can proceed. Since the connection to the bridge is made via the Pi browser at this point, I had no problems with the procedure. But after that, I went on to step 3. This is when I started to worry. The last step involves claiming the WP tokens that you have purportedly wrapped. In order to claim the wrapped Pi in step 3, you must access an external link using a variety of browsers including Chrome, Firefox, and Microsoft Edge. You must also connect your Binance Smart Chain wallet in order to claim the WPI. To be honest, this is where I have a warning sign. After selecting the Connect wallet, you'll be taken right away to download and install the Coinbase wallet. I was a little lost at this point. I'm not sure if you're as interested in and perplexed by the procedure as I am. For me, it raises a lot of red flags because the platform is requesting a connection outside of the Pi browser. Additionally, the Pi wallet, Coinbase wallet, Pi browser, and Binance Smart Chain will all be used in the process. The finest part is that you have to access this procedure from an external browser. This is my judgment, and I advise against participating until there is a formal declaration that the Pi network is at the open main net, where this kind of transaction may be conducted. Second, I'm really concerned with the fact that the process begins inside the Pi browser, but did not want to conclude in it, and I still advise against getting involved. Please feel free to share your opposing views in the comments section if you have any. However, I make it obvious that I do not support engaging, at least not right away. We will undoubtedly use such a service in the near future, but I would like that it happens at the appropriate moment and with formal approval from the core team, similar to how we learned about the barter system, the events, and the participants. Therefore, I advise all pioneers to maintain their composure, keep an eye out, exercise caution, and be alert of con artists who are desperate to hijack your Pi coin at any cost. Do not participate until you are familiar enough with any platform's fundamentals. Now that I think about it, I believe they had claimed Pi was a scam at first. Why exactly are they all so eager to con pioneers out of their money Pi? Why are there currently more scammers than ever on the Pi network? Or have I overlooked something? Why are con artists so motivated to copy the entire Pi network ecosystem? These scammers' efforts and those of the Pi network have not yet been listed. What will happen after the Pi network is listed on a trading platform? I'd really like to hear your thoughts on this. Most frequently, this can result in expensive transactions and congestion. This issue is resolved by blockchain bridges, which allow for the transfer of tokens, the exchange of data and smart contracts, as well as other feedback and instructions between two separate platforms. These blockchains issue of various currencies, follow various sets of regulations. Users can seamlessly transition from one to the other, all thanks to the bridge's role as a neutral zone. The ability to access various blockchains over the same network substantially improves the cryptocurrency experience. For most people, blockchain bridges are capable of transmitting data and converting smart contracts, among other fascinating things. But token transfer is the most often used utility. For instance, the two biggest cryptocurrency networks, Bitcoin and Ethereum, have quite distinct policies and procedures. Users of Bitcoin can move their money to Ethereum through a blockchain bridge and use them in ways that would otherwise be impossible on the Bitcoin network. This can be done by investing in different Ethereum tokens or paying minimal fees. The Pi coin has not yet been traded, there have been no transactions, and there have not been any cash awards, so it is difficult to estimate its current value as it is imperative to distinguish between the Pi network coin and the Pi networker Phi token. On the decentralized exchange known as PancakeSwapCake, which is powered by the Pi networker DeFi token. The Pi network, however, is moving in the other direction from some of these coins and already has an army of supporters. These supporters are called pioneers. Now, let's talk about the message from the Pi core team. The core team has made it public for those who are waiting for their KYC to be validated, and for those who haven't yet migrated their Pi to the mainnet to be patient. As moderators were removed due to factors like United States sanctions and a change in their KYC status because they provided fake information, some pioneers transitioned to the mainnet. We'll stop here for now. If you enjoyed this video, please click on the like and subscribe button down below. Also, if you have any business proposal, kindly check out the email in the description of this video. This is Sheriff Network, and until my next video, keep being cautious and vigilant. See you in the next one.